Welcome to beautiful Squamish. I'm at 40889 The Crescent in University Heights. Got a beautifully designed house by the design group of West Vancouver. 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 3 levels, and amazing outdoor space on each floor. And the best part is you're accessing the beautiful recreation Squamish has to offer. Come check it out.
I'm moving through the heat. This room is hazy. Keep running through the lights inside my head. I find myself a drink, and now it seems I'm 6 or 7 deep. Good God, I'm gonna feel this in the morning, but I don't care right now. I'm gonna keep this party going, so light me up. So light me up. So light me up. A face I've never seen, her body close to me, and suddenly there's nothing